Now the topic before us is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides of the triangle are equal. Now these are the three sides and all the three sides are of equal length. Say the side of each side is 8 centimeter. Now another characteristic of equilateral triangle is that all the angles which are inside the triangle are equal and each angle measures 60 degree. All the angles are 60-degree angles. Now we will understand this, how to measure an equilateral triangle with the help of Heron's formula. An equilateral triangle has side 10 m, 10 centimeter. It means, now it has been mentioned in the question that an equilateral triangle has 10 side 10 centimeter. It means that all the sides are 10 centimeter, because in an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. So this is the equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. We have to find the area of the triangle. So as per Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is semi perimeter, a is length of side a, b is length of side b, and c is length of side c. What is the meaning of semi perimeter? Semi perimeter is half of perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total of the length of all the three sides of the triangle. So in this question, perimeter is a plus b plus c, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 centimeter. So what is semi perimeter? Semi perimeter is 15 centimeter, because semi perimeter is half of perimeter. So now we will use these values of ABC and S to calculate the area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We will put in the relevant values. What is the value of S which has been calculated? It is 15. What is the value of S? 15 minus, what is the value of A? Value of A, B and C is 10. And what is the value of S? It is 15. So 15 minus 10, 15 minus 10. 15 into 5 into 5, then this 5. We will do prime factorization of 15. As already told, prime factorization is the process in which we find out the prime numbers which when multiplied will give us the original number. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided only by itself or by 1 only. We have already told you the examples of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17 and so on, which can be divided by themselves itself or by 1 only. So 15 can be prime factorized into 5 into 3. Then these are the other numbers which are there. This is the pair and this is the pair. Before you. So 5 square, this one or this one, and this one and this one 5 square. So the answer before us is 5 into 5, 25 under root 3. Then the answer is 25 under root 3 centimeter, square centimeter. This is the area of triangle. This is the answer of the area of equilateral triangle. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.